This is Nathan reporting for Wicked.tv at the 2011 North Scallan Run in Mountain Ash. We're going to capture some of the excitement for you, get some interviews and expose those mystery runners. Nathan for Wicked.tv and I'm here with Wales legend Shane Williams. Firstly, congratulations on your achievements with Wales and everything you've done.
Thank you.
So how do you think this evening has gone tonight?
Well, you've only got to look at the turnout, to be fair. It's, I didn't know what to expect when I was invited, and I think there must have been over 10,000 people in Mountain Ash down here, and it's an incredible occasion, and honoured really. I've been asked to come and bear the torch.
Do you think it's good that young people are getting involved with the running as well?
Oh, of course, yeah. It's I think any age is really, when again getting fit and everything is great. But it's good to see the youngsters out here. It's keeping them out of trouble, and they can get involved in something just before the New Year's gongs as well. So yeah, I think it's fantastic that got a lot of youngsters turning out and having a crack and trying to beat some of these records.
What advice would you give to any young people trying to get into rugby or sport?
Or any sport really. That's whenever I'm asked that question, and I've got youngsters to talk to. So all I can say is, you've got to you do it because you enjoy doing it. Don't do it because you feel pressured into doing it. And whatever you're doing, do it with a smile on your face. And that's as simple as it is, really.
Thank you very much for letting us interview on behalf of Wicked.tv.
I'll enjoy my crep. Thanks, buddy. Cheers, man.
Yeah. Now you're doing all the carrying, so we're alright.